Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, so we're going to be taking a look at the Sabrent Mac Mini Mount. This retails for about $10. I'll throw a link up in the description if you decide to purchase. Now this is the drill bit we'll be using. We're going to pre-drill them and then we're going to use the screws to mount it. I already did all of that and we're just going to go ahead and get straight into it. So the cable management on this video is a little bit iffy, I guess you could say. But I mean, I tried. I cleaned it up a little bit, but that's what it looks like right here. This does help a little bit with heat dissipation as well as just overall performance. Just a little bit. It's not mind-blowing or game-changing or anything like that, but it does help a lot. It also clutter-free and it just works. I highly recommend it. It's only 10 bucks. Now I do have a thin desk and it still does work. The setup on this is really easy. Let's get into the rest. Alright, so we have the setup here. It looks a lot nicer and cleaner than how it was before. Actually, let me switch out this keyboard. So we have less clutter. Alright, and if I turn this on, it should look a lot better. I'm trying to decorate my room a little bit to the theme for the holidays, obviously. But that's what the setup looks like now. The Mac Mini is under there. I had it mounted for about like a week, I want to say. And that's what it looks like. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's so much sleeker and just overall better look. I really do like it. It gives a way better, obviously, okay, now that, I'm gonna have to do something about that sometime, just not right now, but overall cable management is pretty good, and I like the theme that we got going on here. It's way cleaner, as you can see, a lot more minimal, besides the cables, because I have to fix that later on, but it's so much better. I really do like it a lot, so that's how it's gonna go. I really do like it. If you guys do want to pick up this mount, it's only like $15-16, I believe. And I highly recommend it because it's, number one, beneficial to any Mac user, any Mac Mini user. Like, it frees up so much room. It looks a lot nicer, and I like a clean work area. This helps with that clean work area. So, highly recommend this to anyone that wants to buy one. Link is in the description down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.